The main objective of the research was to assess the prospects of the green and circular economy in enhancing youth economic empowerment in Ghana. Ghana continues to face a looming crisis following rising unemployment and underemployment among its growing youth population. The green and circular economy has become a sector of high importance to many countries as they strive towards achieving sustainable development. The Coconut Waste Project Learning Workshop served as a platform to highlight findings from the project team's research on youth participation in the green and circular economy.
Currently, our factory is still underway. It's about 77% done. So we believe that at the end of the establishment of a factory, we can quickly start putting all the objectives into play so that the municipality and its environs will have a better opportunity at developing the green and circular economy and providing jobs for the youth.
The European Union is partnering Syrup Development Organization with some 1.4 million euros for the project.
For us from the European Union, it's very important to partner with Ghana on circular economy. We think it's a key way to both address environmental and economic challenges at the same time.
The project is in its second year and is expected to end in December 2024.